Hi, I'm Gregory. I'm the designer of this beautiful garden, the Savills plot-to-plate garden. And I just really want to share with you some tips that you can probably copy at home. What we've tried to do is fuse the edibles with the ornamentals. And one of the things we've done is put in mint. And mint gets a bad rap because it spreads and it runs everywhere. But if you look, what we've done is we stage it in pots, in terracotta pots. We've plunged it so it can't jump over the pots. So you can actually grow mint in ornamental planting. And the other thing I've tried to do is put in things, everyday plants, things like the chives. Chives is a classic thing, and sages. And these are the edibles, but they're also ornamentals. And the other thing I'd like to show is the use of things like galvanised buckets, old builders' buckets. Most of the buckets and things that I've bought on here on eBay, they're very cheap purchases, but they'll give you that look, along with terracotta. So zinc and terracotta, really a lovely combination. We've made it as sustainable as we can. So the Yorkstone, the beautiful sawn Yorkstone, has waste. It has fissures and offcuts, and I've used those as my raised beds. So I've used the offcuts of the paving as raised beds, and that can easily to be copied. You can actually use broken council paving stones to achieve that look. Rather than put timber in, the timber rots, these will last forever. I hope you're inspired by my suggestions. Happy gardening.